Mainly when I look to an application, it's finding a new therapy, supporting surgeons or doctors in providing new novel therapy, better solutions, cheaper solutions. It's really the application that I'm thinking about, not so much about the fundamental research, why some material is doing this or that. I'm going to use that knowledge. How can I implement that into like a better device? Like how can it help the community? The idea is if we can miniaturize more implants, then we can insert them to smaller holes like incisions and then expand them in the body by some means. Right now I'm looking into smart materials that can be activated from the outside with light. So they could be implanted, we can shine a light on them and then know or see how they expand in that place. And that can be very useful for moving soft tissues. That is done in dentistry. A specific application in dentistry would be where a patient has lost teeth in the upper jaw, in this area here on the side for the premolars and molars. And when that happened some time ago, the bone will just resorb in that area because there is no root from the tooth anymore, so it's a bigger gap. So what I want to do with my smart material implant is to make it easier for the surgeon to place it because it's smaller, he doesn't have to lift as much of the membrane, and then for the final creation of the void, which will be filled with new bone eventually, it's no manual interaction by the surgeon. And it's always good to reduce the risk of any operation. Any other therapy that goes over stages when they have to reoperate every couple of months because they have to adjust the length, the height, whatever of the device. If we can implement that into the material, into the smart material in the first place, and then just using something contactless like light to expand it a bit further next time the patient comes in, that would save a lot of operations, pain and time out for the patient as well. So there are many applications where we could see that a material that can be moved inside the body without actually manipulating it by hand would be great.